Okay, time to make a new post. Here we go. We're going to start with like a hex head type of shape. There we go. It starts just above the playfield because there's a washer underneath it, which we can, I guess we can just add it now, huh? Washer. And then the hex shape goes up like that. And then we're going to extrude to the center and do the same thing we did for that washer. We're going to give ourselves some more geometry to work with so that this is actually round. And just to make sure I've got the right size on this, I'm going to take this and this and use our measure tools, and that is 0.24. And really we want 0.25. There. Okay. So then we'll take that. We're going to extrude that up. 0.375. Then we're going to extrude looks right. This goes up, what does it go up? A quarter of an inch. Then we're going to extrude only along Z. Come on. Not along Z. It's been a long day. Okay, then we're going to extrude up. And then again, extrude up. That seems egregiously tall. I think I wrote that down incorrectly. There we go. Okay, and we'll have to decide just exactly how much work to put into rounding the top of this thing. You know, when we're adding geometry for such a negligible thing, that might be all we need to do. So, but that looks good, and we know it's accurate. So, yeah, awesome. And then, you know, all we would need to do is make it metal, and to pretty it up, we'd do something like that. And to my eyes, that looks pretty good. Yeah, obviously we will make our metal a little more dull when we put this into place near the end of our project. But for now, we'll just duplicate that. Move our other one over here. Make sure that that is placed properly.